In the words of Harvey Mackay, time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Once you've lost it, you can never get it back. There is little a commodity more precious than time. What if you could, in fact, purchase time? The early airway grants you the opportunity to do just that. In business, time means money. Time means progress. Time means sealing the deal. Most importantly, however, time means being home for dinner on time. Driven by safety, punctuality, and hospitality, we are the Early Air Way.